Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Nintendo Switch. Now, if you're just on the home screen here and you go to like the power options right here, and you select it, this will only put it into the sleep mode. There is no option to restart under here. So to restart, you actually have to go to the physical button on the top. So if we hold this button down for 8 seconds, it should completely manually turn it off. So if the screen is ever frozen, you can restart it by holding down the power button right here. But if we hold down the power button for like 6 seconds, a little screen will pop up right here. And we want to select power options. And then we have the option to turn off or restart. So we can select A on turn off right here. And this will manually turn off and restart our Nintendo Switch. So I'm not going to do anything. Should pop up the Nintendo symbol right here. And we should be good to go now. So if you're looking to restart or turn it off, that's the different menus right there. But this is a quick little video. If it did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.